Hello YouTube, Romel Reaction, welcome to my channel. At may panibago na naman tayong i-react ngayon na nakakatakot na video mga idol. Galing ito sa YouTube channel ni Nox Top 5. Ayan, subscribe nyo si idol. At syempre kung bago ka pala sa akin channel ay mag-subscribe ka na rin at palike na rin ang ating video. At huwag na natin itong patagalin. Tirahin na natin to bago ba tirahin ng iba. Let's play.
From the bushes. Doneen Bull Davis, who lives on the Louis Bull Tribe Reserve in Alberta, Canada, is relaxing at home one evening with her family. Suddenly, they begin to hear strange sounds coming from the dense thicket of bushes in their backyard. But they don't see anything there. What happens next is truly creepy. Doneen and her family all hear the same spine-chilling sound of a raspy little voice coming from somewhere in their backyard.
Okay, may creepy na boses na parang kausap niya ay sumasagot din sa kanya. Okay, at saka pero hindi niya nakikita kung saan nanggaling ito at wala naman tao.
The voice just doesn't sound normal. And then things really start to get weird.
I see you.
Oh, come on, so I can see you. Come on. Come on. Come on. PJ. Come on up. Come on. Hey, stop. What's wrong with you? What? What?
Okay, grabe ano, parang takot.
The creepy voice seems to mock the family, mimicking what they say and eerily laughing at them while hiding in the bushes. But believe it or not, the situation takes an even more terrifying turn. Come on up! Why not? Yeah, come on up!
Sabi ng boses na nakakatakot mga idol, wanna play daw. Pero ang nakakatakot nito kasi hindi niya nakikita mga idol kung basta sumasagot lang sa kanya na wanna play daw.
Come on!
Ulit-ulit wanna play.
Come on here, let's leave!
Wanna play. Paulit-ulit. Together. Wanna play. Okay.
Whatever is hiding in the bushes now asks, wanna play? And with that, the family has now just had enough. They call
Nakakatakot pag ganito yung bahay mo mga idol. Yung bahay mo ay yung halimbawa bintana tapos harap ng mga matataas na puno ay talagang nakakatakot pag ganun ng bahay mga idol, di ba?
local police to their house and Doneen shows them the footage that she has recorded. The officers scout through the bushes looking for the threatening stranger. One of the officers also hears the raspy little voice mocking him. But even though he says the voice sounds right next to him, he says he didn't see anyone in the bushes. Doneen says that to this day, this disturbing event remains unexplained. Many video commenters believe that this could be some kind of creature roaming the Louis Bull Tribe Reserve. But what do you think this creepy voice could be? Hiding among the graves. Nuke's Top 5 viewer Savannah Escoto says that she had a very strange experience when she took her 4-year-old daughter Isabella to visit her brother's grave at the San Fernando Cemetery in San Antonio, Texas.
What is it?
Okay, anong
Come here.
mangyayari dito?
Why don't you want to go sit down over there?
Because I'm scared.
Scared of what?
What the shadow?
What girl shadow?
Yung bata ay nakakita ng anino, shadow daw, dun sa, tinuturo niya mga idol, dun sa puno. Talaga, pag bata talaga, ay nakakita talaga ang bata.
What's that?
What's that?
Behind the tree?
Yeah.
Little Isabella says that she sees, quote, a girl's shadow behind a tree in the cemetery and comes hurrying back to her mom. When Savannah turns her camera toward the tree, she catches what appears to be a face from behind the tree.
Ay, meron ka mga idol, pucha. Meron nga nakasilip na na ito sinasabi kayo ng bata na shadow daw nakikita niya, pero talaga may nakasilip na mukha sa puno ng kahoy. At saka putla ng mukha, talaga maano natin ito na talaga ito isang patay.
Face seems to be translucent as cars passing on the road behind can be seen right through it. So is this the girl's shadow that little Isabella was afraid of? Her mom Savannah isn't sure what to think of this creepy experience, and she has no idea who or what this is.
Yun klarong-klaro mga idol, mukhang-mukha talaga ng tao. Pag bata talaga, yung bata talaga, hindi nagsisinungaling ang bata. Kung may tinuturo ang bata, siyempre may nakikita na hindi natin nakikita.
Before we move on to the next video, if you see anything that you think should be included in the top 5, contact us at nukestop5@gmail.com. Prized possession. This next creepy video was shared on the popular Spanish language podcast.
Ito, podcast paranormal.
This podcast Paranormal by guest and paranormal investigator Antonio Zamudio. On the podcast, Antonio tells the story of Augusto, an 11-year-old boy who started behaving very oddly after buying a strange-looking doll at a garage sale. The little boy became obsessed with the toy, staying up all night and talking to the little doll. After hearing unexplained voices in their house, Augusto's mother had had enough. She threw the doll away. But the doll mysteriously reappeared 3 days later at their home, lying at the foot of Augusto's bed. Paranormal investigator Antonio sets out to help the family and installs several static cameras throughout the home. The doll is placed in the hallway just outside the little boy's bedroom as he goes to sleep. The static camera recording the hallway catches something downright chilling.
Ayan mga idol. Ako maniniwala dito na legit. Kasi kuha ito ng camera na may dumaan na hindi rin maano kung bata ba yun basta klarong-klaro na may dumaan at saka may paa at saka nakaputi na anino. Ayun. Ayan, yun. Nakita nyo mga idol, dumaan. Dito galing sa kaliwa, papunta sa kanan.
Soon after the boy falls asleep, the doll begins to move and then seems to actually run to the 11-year-old's bedroom.
Talagang legit talaga ito. Ako naniniwala dito kasi camera to Tsaka kung edited man to, syempre hindi na to nila malalaman na to. Ibabash na to kung ibabash na to kung edited man. Klarong-klaro Ano din sa mga sa idol, sa tingin niyo? Ito ba ito to o hindi o gawa-gawa lang o edit?
Antonio and the family are shocked when they watch the footage. The investigator decides to take the doll from the family and has kept it locked away at his home ever since. So could the doll be possessed by a spirit? Or just what do you think happened here? Let me know. Unstable. This next strange video was recorded by a CCTV camera in a horse stable, but the location of the stable and the original source of the footage are unknown. The video shows a horse in its stall, relaxed and peaceful. But around 2:39 a.m., there's an odd dark flash across the CCTV camera, and then all hell breaks loose.
Kabayo itong mga idol. Ito sa sa tawag nito sa mga kwadra. O quadro. Bigla na lang pumiglas yung kabayo na parang may nakikita o inano ba yun? Sinundot. Paano kaya yun? Boy. Saan na papunta yun?
Something unknown disturbs the horse so much that it panics and actually breaks right through its stall. But that's not all, because as the horse roams loose in the stable,
Parang ang kabayo ay may kinakatakutan na may sa kanya, kaya may nakikita siya diyan kaya kasi wala naman, parang wala din naman ako napansin sa camera na may tao o multo. Basta kabayo lang nakita ko na tumakbo.
what happens next is truly bizarre.
Escape horse. Okay. Nakita ba kayo mga idol? Wala akong nakita eh. Ako nakita kakaiba. Tunog. Oh. Sumampa yung kabayo. Okay. Yung nakita ko lang mga idol, yung kabayo ay doon nasampa. Doon sa may puting kabayo din, tapos yung nakita lang yung kalahating katawan ng kabayo, ba yung sumampa o papasok sa...
The horse lingers at a different stall, disturbing one of the other horses as it kicks and makes panic noises. The horse then seems to angrily attempt to leap over into the other stall with that horse. The stable owner says that this incident is one of the weirdest things he's ever experienced with one of his horses. Now, this video was shared to TikTok, and comments mentioned that the culprit might be Jen, as apparently it is said that Jens will often torment horses. And there was also that odd dark flicker in the camera footage. So, paranormal or not. Really, without a source, we'll never know what happened here.
Paranormal or
Maybe this horse just randomly lost its damn mind. The passenger. Taxi driver Jared from Baguio, Philippines is working the night shift when...
Kung alam niyo ito mga idol, sa nakapanood na nito, ito ay naki-MJS dati. Dito to sa Pilipinas na kung saan ang taxi driver na may umangkas na multo. Ayan, tignan natin yung video.
He spots a woman on the side of the road who needs a lift. What happens next is something he'll never forget.
Ayan o. Ayan. Kita natin yung pinto, may bumukas. Tapos si kuya ay may kinausap na parang pasahero nga, ganon. Okay. Naka-MJ sa data eh. Okay. Okay, nawala yung pasahero ni Kuya.
Wala. Diyos ko po.
Sa Diyos ko po.
Wala. Multa ata yung nasakay ko ah.
Multo nga, multo.
Wala. Wala.
Ito talaga nakakatakot sa mga nagbibiyahe ng gabi, lalo na yung mga driver ng jeep, tapos yung driver ng taxi, yung driver ng jeep nakakaranas din ganito, meron din. At saka yung kadalasan talaga mga idol, yung driver ng motor, lalo na pag mag-isa ka na bumibiyahe sa gabi.
Ito yung nasakay ko. Diyos ko.
Oh my God.
May sumakay kanina.
Oh,
May sumakay kanina.
Idol, meron.
May sumakay kanina, pero bakit nawala? Scout ba yung sabi? May sumakay kanina, wala.
At ito naman yung yung camera niya sa harap. Okay. Oh.
We can see
May nakita yung harapan ng yung harapan ng camera ng taxi ay may nakita kanino sa harapan. Sakto din na pumara. Yun na ata yung sumakay.
the taxi door open and close.
Oh, bumukas yung pinto, talagang maano natin na may sumakay. Tapos kung saan sumara ito, na kung paano baga nakapasok na yung sumakay.
And Jarek swears a woman wearing a long white and purple dress stepped into his
Okay, hanggang dito lang ang video na to mga idol, at maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. At pasensya na rin kayo kasi isa na lang ang cellphone natin ginagamit. Ganito yung record natin ngayon. At maraming salamat sa inyong panonood pa rin mga idol. At yung sa sunod, bibili din ako ng cellphone para babalik din yung record natin na maganda. Nagagamit na ako ng microphone, earphone, at saka dalawa na cellphone. Naka-ring light na rin tayo. Sa ngayon, test muna tayo sa ganito na pag-record kasi di pa nakabili ng cellphone. At maraming salamat po ulit mga idol.